How to set up Macard Wi-Fi Extender in easy way. Hi, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video tutorial features Macard Wi-Fi Extender setup in 5 easy steps. As you know, that extender can be connected without much of a hassle using WPS method in minutes. But there's one more way to set up the Macard extender, that is via web-based interface through PC. WPS method is the easiest and recommended way to set up the extender, but it only works if your router supports it. In this video, we will explain Macard Wi-Fi Extender setup via WPS method. Refer the link in the description to watch web interface method. Let's dive in to understand how to connect your Macard Wi-Fi extender to router device via WPS. First of all, plug in the extender in a power outlet and turn it on. The extender must be powered on within the router's reach, that is 20 to 30 feet away. Not too close or far from the router. Locate the WPS button on the router and give it a gentle push. The router's WPS LED will start blinking. Then, press the WPS button on the Wi-Fi range extender within 2 minutes. The extender's WPS LED will also start blinking. When router to extender connection is established, the device's WPS LED stops blinking and turns solid. Likewise, Macard extender defaults to the router's settings and can be accessed using the router's Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Experience high-speed wide coverage area as you connect your smart gadgets to Macard extender's extended network. Like this video, subscribe to our channel to stay tuned with our latest network setup guides. Thank you for watching.